Hi, good evening, and good evening. Just by the Codfather, there's been a emergency plane landed on the beach. They've now, it looks like they've got it recovered now and onto a slip. I'll show you in a minute. So we're down in between, I'll show you, well, we're more South Shore now. I thought it was around Central Beach, but I've just literally got back from the hospital not long ago, having a quick coffee, and Buddy says, "Hey biker, there's a plane emergency landing. Let's have a look." It looks like they've got, let me put my hood up, throwing it down. Yes, we're on about 8 o'clock now, I think, something like that, 'cause I've been legging it around. I'm not quite sure, it might be gone, to be fair. So it did have to land emergency on the beach through failure, engine failure. Oh, it's just here, look. So it's not a great picture, the lens looks like it needs cleaning. It's okay in daytime, obviously. So yeah, it landed on the beach. Weird, Yeah, before there were fire engines and all sorts before. You can see police and what have you, and rescue and that. Yeah, Mother Hubbard's just opposite, if you want to come down and have a look. That's where we're at. Police officer's still there. How weird though, first time I've ever known in the last God knows how many years, plane landing on the beach. But yeah, it must have been, whether it was going to the airport, Squires Gate, so you got search and rescue and everything as well. Yeah, so obviously everyone's okay anyway, that's one thing. It's not nice now, it's cold with the rain as well. You see how many people are here. Let's get the plane in. Let's have a wander down here. There's a few rubberneckers like myself around, as you can see. Looks like the engine, they took the engine compartment off there. Can you just see there? Looks like they took that off just to check, but it might have been. Anyway, I'll have a wander back. I've literally parked in a taxi rank, so I didn't know exactly where it was. I'm messaging Woody, "Where is it, mate?" So sorry about obviously the lens needs cleaning, it's not a great picky. So yeah, if you see where we are, you've got the Codfather over there. That's the Codfather. I'll have to clean this bloody lens, it's disgusting, biker. Oh, wow. Yeah, there's Pug over there. I will do an early morning tomorrow and just what's this on its way now? Might just be a bin lorry. You don't know, do you, till they've obviously managed to recover it though, because it was actually on the beach before. Nice big boy, isn't he? Bear with me a sec. Which lens is it? There's 3 lenses on these things. I'm gonna have to do something with that. Yeah, so like I say, It was on the beach, just about opposite where we was here now. Right, I'm going to jump in pug and get home and get a coffee. Oh, you've been alright with that? Just thought I'd show you. So yeah, literally emergency landing they've had to do. It looks like, what I can see, everyone's okay that would have been on it. In it. Which one is it? That one, isn't it? That's just horrible, isn't it? A little bit better, I think. I'll give it a good clean tomorrow. It doesn't matter when it's light. Here, let's do a bit of mountaineering here. See the car park behind. Hang on a minute. Muddy again here, Jude. What sandy come. Oh, bloody hell. I'm far too old for this mountaineering. Hang on a minute. What are they doing now? They're trying to recover it. Bear with me a minute. Let's just see if they're trying to recover it. Sorry about this. It's not a great picture. It's never brilliant at night, don't get me wrong, but this is just... I'll hang on a minute. Obviously the corner off a little bit. Whoops. So yeah, whether it was trying to land at Squires Gate at Blackpool Airport, I'm not quite sure, to be fair. Let's go this side. Not in anyone's way here. Let's come this side here. Could have gone. I ain't got a gimbal, also I've gone live. It'll just be too shaky if you go live at the moment. Literally far too shaky. So they're gonna have to, looks like, winch it up. That looks for that. I thought there was a ramp round here, to be fair. Where's the nearest ramp? You know, get it up the ramp rather than having to winch the thing. Or lift it, should I say. Bear with a minute. Yeah, so it looks like they're going to have to lift it. I'll leave this one here and put it on now. Most of all, stay safe, you know what it is. Have a cracking day.